Hydro Pneumatic Sales and Services Private Limited. One-stop piping solution under one roof. Our services: industrial piping categories, exhaust air ducting, insulation and cladding, receiver tank fabrication, machine installation, machine placement. A cooling tower is a heat rejection device that removes excess heat from a system, typically a building's air conditioning or industrial process. Here's a brief overview of cooling tower works. Hot water inflow, distribution of water in cooling tower, airflow, cooled water outlet, pumping station. The cooled water can then be circulated back into the system, completing the cooling cycle. Cooling towers efficiently remove heat from industrial processes or vac systems. Air compressor system create a reliable and efficient, compressed air system for various industrial and commercial applications. Air compressor compresses ambient air, and the air receiver stores excess compressed air to balance variations in demand. The air dryer removes moisture, and the precise filter cleans the compressed air. Compressed air meets specific cleanliness standards required for sensitive applications or machinery. The filter typically consists of various stages, with progressively finer filtration to achieve the desired level of air purity.
Cooling system is used to reject heat from a process or plant. Cooling tower is a large heat exchanger that cools water by spraying it through the tower, exchanging heat with the air, and evaporating some of the water. Heat exchanger is a device that transfers heat between two or more fluids at different temperatures. Chillers are cooling systems that remove heat from a facility or process, keeping the temperature optimal. Process of cooling system. Chilled water will be supplied to the heat exchanger from the tank through the pumping station, and the heated water will be discharged into the cooling tower for cooling. The cooled water in the cooling tower will be discharged into the tank. Hot water from the machine will go into the heat exchanger. Then temperature of the water will be normalized and it will be released in the chiller to cool the water. The chill water from the chiller will be supplied to the industrial machines. Cooling water flows through a closed piping system that circulates water through various pieces of equipment. Chilled water to reduce the temperature of the process commodity. Also regulate temperatures to ensure that critical machinery and processes operate optimally.